Well, good afternoon, my peeps. This is Low Key Rise. I hope everybody's having a great Monday. This is part two of the video that I started last week. Sorry it took so long to get to part two. Um, Busy week at work, staying busy. Um, got my rotors, put on my rotors, done everything. So in this video, I'm not actually going to be doing a how-to. I'm just going to show you the transition to it. Took the old 21-inch fat spoke wheel off. Buddy of mine's gonna be picking that up. My beautiful queen is assisting me along with my daughter, putting this new rim on. It was very simple, very easy to install. Like I said, I'm not gonna do a how-to video mainly because I use some choice words like son of Ryan Reynolds or old fudge. Um, so I didn't want anybody to hear that language coming out of my mouth. Make sure you put anti-seize lube on your axle when you do it because you don't want that sucker to seize up on you. I think I might have put a little bit too much, but the rim was a very easy install. It was very perfect with that jack that I purchased from Harbor Freight. I would have done this in my uh, Harley cave. Everybody knows I have a low keys Harley cave, and it has my lift tools and everything in it, but it's actually a real mess now. Um, my wife has let me put some boxes in there for her. Ain't that so sweet? So kind of junking up my building. But she's sitting right beside me giving me an evil eye. But yeah, the rim was very simple. I let her help me with the jack, as you can see with her soft feet. And there's my daughter there. But yeah, it was simple. Enjoying it. Love working on my bike. Got everything situated. Got everything done. And she's a beauty. Will really sets it off, and I'm happy because now I ain't got to put air in it every other day. It's shiny, beautiful chrome, nice gloss black look. Again, love that jack. Great purchase. We'll be using it for helping me detail my bike more. Speaking of which, my bike is very dirty, as you can see. But I do ride it a lot. I haven't ridden this whole week. Again, sorry for no videos because one, you can see in the beginning of the video, my tire was slick. So I didn't ride hardly, and plus it kind of rained a couple days this week, doing everything. But this rim is gorgeous. I did take it out for a test ride. It was very smooth, no wobble at slow speeds. Um, Felt good. Um, really don't have much more to say about it other than thank you, rotisserie. I'm hungry. Thanking rotation wheels for helping me out. Beautiful rim, beautiful tire. Got a Michelin up there. Or no, not Michelin, a Metzler. I'm getting confused here. But again, there's my baby, Mystic Beast. She's got her some new shoes on, or a new shoe, not shoes, new shoe. But it does match the back. And like I said, my bike is dirty. So I hope everybody likes this video. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe. Help a brother out. And I hope everybody stays safe and has a blessed week. And I'll be setting some videos up tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. So I'll be doing some videos. Y'all have a great one. Peace out.